Good morning, students. Today we are going to start notice writing. It's very important that you all must know how to write notice correctly. Let's see the format of writing notice first of all. On the top of the box, name of the institution is written in capital letters. Then the word date, word date, it's the date which is written. Then notice, topic, and then comes body or content. Step 1, what and for whom. Step 2, details. And step 3, invitation or inviting the students. So in step 1, you're supposed to write what is this notice for and for whom are you writing this notice. Step 2, details. These details you are supposed to write in tabular form. It is best to adopt this technique because if you are writing in sentences, first of all, it may exceed the word limit. Secondly, you may commit some grammatical error in writing sentences and then your marks will be deducted for that. So this is how date, time, venue, charges, topic, theme, etc. Can be written in details. Step 3, inviting the students. And step 4, that is signatory. Here you are writing name and designation. Here the signature can also be written upon the over the name. Next, let's see the marking scheme. The marking scheme for notice writing. Format 1 mark, content oblique body that will have 2 marks, expression 1 mark. So this is how it becomes 4 marks. Although due to COVID-19 pandemic, there has been revised curriculum issued by the board wherein notice writing is for 3 marks only, but initially it is 4 marks and the word limit for the same is 50 words. Sample question 1, that's what we are going to see here. How to solve the question. An international book fair is being held at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi from 7th to 14th April 2020. As librarian, Goodwill Public School, Delhi, write a notice informing the students about the fair. Let us see the solution. On the top, you are supposed to write Goodwill Public School, Delhi, that is the name of the institution. Then date should be written in complete month, year. Then word notice, and then the topic International Book Fair. Step 1, what and for whom. This is to inform all the students of class 6 to 12 that International Book Fair is being held at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. So here it is fulfilling the requirement of for whom, that is for 6 to 12 students, and what, that is International Book Fair. Let's see details. Here the details are date 7 to 14 Feb. See, time is missing. Time has to be mentioned here. So you can mention the timings 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and entry fee, because International Book Fair, if we go there, we require to deposit or pay entry fee. So rupees 250 entry fee, that is also added to details. Then inviting the students. Students should visit this book fair in order to get detailed information about various books. For any queries, contact the undersigned. And the undersigned is Nikita, librarian, name and post or designation. Let's see sample question 2. You are Rishabh oblique Ridhima, Secretary of Arts Club of Sunrise Public School, Gurugram. Your club is organizing a drawing and painting competition. Write a notice for school notice board inviting students to participate in same. So the notice goes like this. Sunrise Public School, Gurugram. Name of the institution on the top. Date 4th October 2020. Word notice. Topic drawing and painting competition. Now step 1. This is to inform the students of class 6 to 10 that Arts club of our school is organizing a drawing and painting competition. Step 2, details: date, time, venue, and topic. All these are already given here. Date 15th October, time 10 a.m., venue school activity hall, and topic festivals of India. So details will be depending upon your question. Here the question was drawing and painting competition, so we required topic as well. If it would have been a trip or tour, then charges could have been added. So it all depends upon the question what details have to be included. Step 3, interested students can or may submit their names to their respective class in charges. For further details, contact the undersigned. And the undersigned is Rishabh, Secretary Arts Club. So this is how you are supposed to attempt a question on notice writing. Um, I've brought some assignment or practice questions for you as well, so that you may write these and can practice to fetch full 4 marks. Question number 1. Your club is going to organize an inter-class singing competition. Write a notice in about 50 words inviting names of the students who want to participate in it. You are Navtej oblique Navita, Secretary, Music Club, Akash Public School, Agra. Question number 2. Water supply will be suspended for 8 hours, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on 4th of April for cleaning of the water tank. Write a notice in about 50 words advising the residents to store water for a day. You are Karan oblique Karan, Janta Housing Society, Panipat. Question number 3. After the rain, cases of dengue, chikungunya, etc. are on rise in your city. As Principal Sunshine Public School Mandi, you have decided that all the students must wear full sleeve shirts and trousers in the school for a period of 1 month. Write a notice in about 50 words. Question number 4. The principal, Apex Public School Mathura, has invited the Inspector of Police Traffic to deliver a lecture on road safety. Draft a notice informing the students about the same. Question number 5. You are Anita oblique Ankit. The sports secretary, spelling of secretary is wrong here. Please correct it. SECRE. Secretary of St. Abraham Convent, Jaipur. Your school has decided to host the regional level volleyball tournament. Draft a notice in not more than 50 words for your school notice board inviting the students to attend the tournament and cheer the participants. So, I've brought these 5 questions for you to practice, and if you are able to follow the format, the style of writing notice given in the video, and practice these questions, certainly you are going to get full 4 marks in notice writing. Thank you. Have a nice day.